Hello, my name is Masatoshi Kajita. Now I want to introduce my new book, Fundamentals of Analysis in Physics. This book is a compact introduction of analysis in physical mathematics, classical mechanics, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, relativistic quantum mechanics, statistic mechanics, and uncertainties of measurement results. Now, I want to say why compact book is so useful. Because it is difficult to learn each field separately in detail. For myself, it was very difficult to understand the content of lectures. On the other hand, it becomes much easier to understand after understanding the positioning of each field in the whole physics. So, I want to say it is preferable to have a simple imagination of whole field as quick as possible. If this book helps young generation to understand physics, it is my great pleasure. And finally, I want to say that I targeted undergraduate course students, but I believe it is useful also for researchers, because it includes information which I learned after being professional researchers. Thank you for attention.